What if the reason you're not making money is not your job, not your skills, but your mindset? Think about it. There are people out there, less talented than you, less educated than you, but making way more money than you. Why? Because they believe they can. Today, we are breaking down a powerful book, You Are a Badass at Making Money, and it might completely change how you think about money forever. This book is not about budgets. It's not about saving pennies. It's about your belief system. Jen Sincero says something simple. You don't get what you want. You get what you believe you deserve. If deep inside, you think, I'm bad with money, I can't get rich, money is hard to make, then your life will prove it, again and again. But if you change that belief, you change your results. Money is not just numbers. It's energy. It flows where confidence goes. Let's take a real example. Think about Oprah Winfrey. She was born into poverty, she faced struggles early in life. But she didn't believe she was limited. She believed she could rise. And today, she's one of the richest women in the world. Now compare that with someone else. Let's say Mike. Mike works hard. He has a stable job, but every time he gets a chance to grow, he says, I'm not ready. That's too risky. People like me don't make big money. And guess what? He stays stuck. Same world, different mindset, different results. Lesson 1. Your money mindset controls everything. Most people don't realize this, but your thoughts about money were programmed when you were young. Maybe you heard, money doesn't grow on trees, rich people are greedy, we can't afford that. These lines become your reality. Now imagine a girl named Sarah. She grows up hearing, money is good. We create our own success. She grows up confident, she takes risks, she earns more. Same opportunities, different beliefs. So the first step is simple, catch your thoughts. Change them. Start saying, I am capable of making money. I deserve wealth. Lesson 2. Fear is the biggest block. Most people don't fail because they can't, they fail because they are scared. Scared of failure, scared of judgment, scared of losing money. Let's take Elon Musk. He invested almost all his money into Tesla and SpaceX. At one point, he was close to going broke. But he didn't stop. Now imagine if he said, this is too risky. There would be no Tesla today. Now think about your own life. How many chances have you missed, just because you were scared? Starting a business, asking for a raise, trying something new. Fear is expensive. The book teaches, feel the fear, and do it anyway. Lesson 3. Take bold action. Wishing doesn't make money, thinking doesn't make money. Action does. Let's look at Alex. Alex watches videos about making money, reads books, makes plans. But never starts. Then there's Jake. Jake doesn't know everything, but he starts small. He tries, he fails, he learns, he improves. 1 year later, Jake is earning online. Alex is still planning. The difference? Action. Jen Sincero says, you have to act like the person who already has the money. That means, show confidence. Take risks. Invest in yourself. Here's the truth, most people don't want to hear. You are not stuck, you are choosing to stay where you are. That sounds harsh, but it's also powerful. Because if you created your current situation, you can also change it. Money is not luck, it's not magic. It's mindset plus action. Conclusion. So remember these 3 things. Change your money beliefs. Stop letting fear control you. Take bold action. If you do just this, your life can change. Not slowly, but faster than you think. If you enjoyed this summary, and want more powerful book breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and comment below. I am ready to make money. Because this is where your journey begins. See you in the next video.